Islamist camps exist in Europe. A report claims that some airsoft clubs in Bosnia and Herzegovina are being used for purposes far beyond recreational sport. According to the report, several clubs allegedly bring together individuals described as Islamist extremists and supporters of terrorist organizations. It claims that military-style training is taking place under the cover of airsoft activities. These allegations remain disputed. The report also alleges that these clubs recruit mostly young people interested in weapons and military equipment, while promoting ideological and political narratives alongside tactical exercises. It further claims that some instructors are current or former members of Bosnia and Herzegovina's security institutions, alongside individuals accused of promoting religious extremism. No official findings confirming these allegations have been publicly presented. Videos circulating online appear to show some participants displaying symbols that the report associates with Islamist groups, carrying Palestinian flags, while Islamic religious chants can be heard in the background. The context and meaning of those videos have not been independently verified. The report also claims that many of these organizations are legally registered as sports clubs or citizens associations, making them eligible for public funding from local or regional authorities. The Airsoft Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina has rejected the allegations, describing them as false and defamatory, and stated that its member clubs operate legally as sports associations. If the allegations are proven true, they would raise serious security concerns. If they are false, they could unfairly damage legitimate sports organizations. Should authorities conduct an independent investigation to determine the facts?